Welcome back. Government has ordered bus owners to replace their 15 to 20-year-old buses. Transport Department has issued notification. The department has set a deadline to replace buses in 5 different time slabs. Buses more than 20 years old will have to be replaced by 31st March 2017.
Government amended conditions attached to the permit of stage carriage as follows. Age of vehicle 20 years and above. Date of replacement 31st March 2017. 18 years and above 31st March 2018. 17 years and above 31st March 2019. 16 years and above 31st March 2020. 15 years and above 31st March 2021. Government had earlier launched a subsidy scheme for the bus owners who come forward to replace their old buses were liable for a replacement with the state of assistance. The scheme is in force. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Ophelia D'Souza, known as the tragedy queen in Konkani tiatr, passed away after a brief illness in Mumbai on Friday. Final rites on the body will be performed on Saturday at Victoria Church in Mahim. Incidentally, 19th February is also the 11th death anniversary of her husband Bab Peter. Ophelia and Bab Peter acted together in many tiatrs. Ophelia is famous for her movies like Nirmon and Amche Noshib.
Behind every successful man there's a lady. Oso sudmut sansaracho. Niesot kornacha negar wotso nezo. Ugadas dorat utaracho. Teच वस्तोरीक लागून बाप पीटर म्हूण आयज म्हाका वळखता गांव तिच्याच नांवाचो आसरो घेवन कोंकणी पालकार आयज सगल्यांक दिसती पडटा हांव तीच ती ट्रेजेडी क्वीन कोंकणी पालकाची बायल म्हजी ओफिलिया तिचें नांव.
Ophelia was honored by Goa government with prestigious State Cultural Award in 2011. Fans of Ophelia are dismayed with sudden demise of Ophelia.
कसलो एक व्हडलो तियात्र भास आसता जाल्यार ऑफेलिया शहरान तियात्र भास नासलो कित्याक एक पावरफूल खोडेगांठ एक्टर आनी ते कसलो रोल करपाक म्हण ते केन्ना भियेनासले.
ताच्या आवाजान एक वेगळेपण आसलें. ताच्या गीत गावपाचे शैलींत एक खोलाय आसली आनी कोंकणी माचयेक ते एक वेगळे तरेचें योगदान दिताले.
Is the most perfect institutional actress in Konkani stage today. ते एकदम लॉस आमकां कित्याक आमचे पयलीं पिळगा आयल्या टॅलंटीड पिळगा आयल्या पूण ताचे बद्दल ओफेलियाक पळयलें जाल्यार ती जायती शिंगपाची लॉस ते आमकां तो बाब पिटर पासून आयज ताका 11 वर्सां जालीं मेल्यार बाब पिटर सेम डे आयज ते मेला पळय तेन्ना बाब पिटर सेम फेब्रुवारीच्या 19th मेलो तो आनी ओफेलिया तेजे बरोबर आयज केलें.
Savidas for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.